Bye-bye, bebe!
Babay na kami!
Okay na right, as uwi na lang si Boo. So very dramatic. Emmy. Dito kami sa terminal 2, guys. Okay. Nasa AirAsia kami, guys. What a wow!
Yung ID mo na yun.
Hi everyone! So we're here, going back to Cebu. And sobrang OA ko, ayoko umuwi. No, mami! Ihahatid ko lang kayo talaga, Miss.
Talaga ba?
Tapos, magkakaiwan ako dito. Hinihintay ako ni Pian.
Sige na, umuwi ka na. Ang dami electric fan, ang dami.
We're done checking. We're getting our tickets. Now we're going to... Saan tayo pupunta? Boarding na mi, guys. Yay! Finally! So, at tumig 11.
Una kayo dito.
And this is the line. Walang tuloy.
Hawakan mo, ano mo.
Your assigned seat. I repeat, take your assigned seat. Operation.
Here. Thank you. Yeah. Hindi daw magkasya sa
Wait, diba? Ganyan mo muna siya. Also. And then,
Magic.
one more.
or tubig.
Dear guests, we have just landed at Mactan Cebu International Airport. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment and please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft.
Ain't no way within 1 hour we're back home.
Reality.
Girl, I'm not happy. Feels like school is baby. And yeah.
It's good. Ilang ko. Nainit ka ba yun? Wait lang.